Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Khao Piek. We're just going to be making the noodles.
Alright, let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add 1 bag of rice flour, 1 bag of tapioca starch, and optional, a dash of glutinous rice flour. Give it a mix, combine well. Next, you're going to need 4 to 5 cups of boiling water. First, pour 3 cups, give it a stir, followed by 1 more cup, give it a stir once again, and another half a cup. Tips and tricks. If it's too dry, add a little bit more water. If the water is too cold, it will be mushy. Add more rice flour. Knead your dough until it's like Play-Doh-like. Roll it into a ball, followed by dusting all your working space. Dust your knives and rolling pin. Cover what you don't use with a damp cloth or saran wrap. Roll this out thin or thick, depending on how you want your noodles. Cut it in half, stack them on top of each other and roll it up. Cut up the sides. Cut your noodles to the desired size you want. Dust them again so they don't stick, and then you're done. Boil and cook this until it's translucent. Serve it with the chicken broth. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.